Hi guys, this is Eman again, and today we're going to talk about one of the conditional function of G-sheets, which is the if function. So if function is a pre-made function of Google Sheet that return values based on a certain condition, and that condition referred as logical expressions. So we talked about in the last video that logical expressions or logical functions is answerable by true or false. So let's start. First, we're going to know what is the syntax or the format of the if. So we have equal sign, then name, which is if function, and then expression or the condition, then comma. And if the condition is met or it's true, we're going to return value if true, return value if true, and then if it's false, and the second value that we're going to return is the false value. Return value if false. Okay. Next, okay, to apply it in here, this one, we're going to determine if this cell is blank or not, if it's empty or not. We have a function that we're going to use to determine the cell if it's blank or not, which is the is blank. However, we're going to to test if the cell is blank using a function. So in here, let's say if, and then the name of the cell, which is A4, we're going to test it if it's blank or not. If is equal to blank, then if it's true, we're going to return the value of empty. And if it's not empty, we're going to return the value of not empty. Okay, hit enter. Okay, for now, it's empty because there is nothing inside of the cell. However, if we're going to put something, let's say K, it will say that it will set our formula. It's not the cell is not empty, regardless what is being entered on the cell. It shows it's not empty. Okay, so how can we apply this? Okay, we can also use if functions together with the logical conditions. For example, um, we have a range of number. For example, we have 10, 1 to 10. Okay, no. For example, we have a grade in here, and then we have the remarks. Okay, if it's 90 to 100, we're going to return the value of A. If it is 80 to 89, we're going to return the value of B. If it's 75 to 79, we're going to return the value of C. And if it's below 74, we're going to return the value of D. Okay. For example, I have a list of students in here. Let's say students. We have A, B, C, and D, and E. And we have also their grades, which is, for example, 95, we have 75, we have 60, we have 85, and 199. On the remarks, we're going to make it automatic. Okay. So how do we do that? Since we have multiple ranges of grades, what we're going to do is a multiple if statement or nested if. So how do we do nested if? So we're going to click the cell. Let's proceed with the formula bar, equal sign, if. In here, we're going to use logical function, which is the AND function, if and then name of the cell is greater than equal to the first range of our grade, 90, comma, name of the cell less than equal to 100. We're going to return the value of a, comma. Okay. So where do we input the next if statement? Hit Alt and Enter. Then name of the condition, if, same procedure. And function, name of the cell is greater than equal to 80. The second one here. And less than equal to 89. We're going to return the value of B. Alt Enter again. If and condition, same name of the cell, greater than equal to 75. And if 5 is less than equal to 79, we're going to return the value of C. On the last statement, we're not going to use logical function anymore uh because it says it's below 74. So we can say that E7 is less than equal to 74. Whatever number, whatever grade that is less than or equal to 74, it will be returned or it will be marked as letter D. And then what if we're going to input what if we accidentally entered a letter which is not a number? So what we can here is the last statement is we're going to return a value of empty. Then close all the parentheses. I guess we've closed it all. Okay. And enter. Enter. Okay. And then copy and paste. For example, we're going to change this into 50. It will automatically changes to letter D. 75, we're going to input 74. It also changes to letter D. 60, if we're going to change this into 95, it will automatically change to letter A. Also, to simplify the nested if function, we can also use ifs with an S. However, we're going to talk about that on the next video. So that is, guys, I hope that you can follow along and you can learn something in this video. Okay, something more to show you. What if I'm going to enter a letter, accidentally enter the letter, then it will return nothing. In here, it will return nothing. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, don't forget to like and share this video to your colleagues. if this video is very essential to you guys. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.